Good morning, shutter clickers. It's about an hour later than I wanted it to be, but we're going to give this a try. Never been here before. I can hear water rushing right now. It's not much of a walk, but I think it's going to be really a pretty place. There's a semblance of a little trail here. I'll turn the camera around so you can kind of see where we're going. That's the spillway over the dam. And down through here somewhere is supposed to be a trail. It's kind of a neat little trail. It's all covered in moss, but at least it's a trail. I don't know whether you can see the creek down there or not, but I'm pretty sure you can hear it. Here it falls off about 30 feet. Oh man, cobweb. I hate cobwebs. Oh wow. Looky here. Looky, looky. Man, this place is beautiful. Boy, who would have thought less than a mile from my house there was something like this. I'm going to get set up and then we'll talk about what kind of picture we're taking.
You're welcome.
I did get a new bag. I'll open it up, kind of show you what it's like. I'll tell you more about it at home, but for right now, it's really big. Got more room than I got equipment. Okay, I'm going to get set up now. Okay, I shot this in HD, meaning I took 3 pictures, one underexposed, one properly exposed, and one overexposed, and then I'll merge those together. I was at a 13th of a second at an f4 ISO 100. I was using automatic white balance. Of course, I was shooting in RAW. As you can tell from my shirt, I always shoot in RAW. It gives me the greatest opportunity. I'm going to try a couple more pictures here. I'm going to really slow it down here and see if I can get the water to kind of fuzz out. Okay, now I don't know whether you can see or not, but I'm shooting at 1 full second f/16, and again, it's going to be a 2-second timer, and we'll be doing 3 shots. Okay, I'm going to take a look here and see what we got. I hope you can see this. That would be the overexposed. There's the underexposed. And there is the correctly exposed. And the water looks just a little fuzzy, I think. Let me kind of zoom in there and see. Oh yeah. Can you see how the water kind of got fuzzy? It's not real bad. I don't like it where it totally goes to nothing. Some guys do that, but I'm not particularly interested in that. So anyway, I'm going to look around here and see if I can find some way else to get a different angle on this, and I'll get back at you. Okay. I don't know whether you noticed my little tripod there or not. That is really a neat little deal. It's totally flexible. I've got my picture pretty much level. I'm still at a second at an f/16, and I was shooting at about 35 millimeter. I'm now shooting at 18 millimeter, wide open. So I'm going to go ahead and take the shot. Again, it's going to be HD, 1 second. I have to listen. I can barely hear it when it clicks with the waterfall. Let's see how this one looks. Oh yeah. I think we're going to like this one, guys. Alright, I'm going to look around here some more and maybe move up just a little bit and see if I can find a picture a little closer. Okay. Hang on. As you can see, I've moved a lot closer to the spillway there, and I'm going to try a shot. This time, same thing, except that this time I'm shooting at about 40 millimeter. So let's go ahead and we'll take this shot. There's the first one. There we go. Second one. Alright. Let's see if I can get a side shot of this. This is really pretty, and there's a lot of contrast here with the light. I've been trying to get stuff in the foreground as much as I can. There's some beautiful rock structures here. But I'm going to go ahead and shoot this fall from the side here, like this. Okay. I'm shooting at a 1/6 of a second. I wanted to shoot at f/5.6 because that's close to the sweet spot. The sweet spot for this lens is 6.3. As you can see on the side of my lens there, this little right there, that's a piece of tape. And I did a series of pictures to find the sweet spot for the lens, and it was f/6.3. But if I go, maybe I'll up the ISO here. Let me see. I'll up the ISO to 200 so I can get it down to a 6.3. So hang on, I'm going to do some setup here. I've got it at an f/6.3 and at the ISO 200. Now that should still be real good. And it's at a 1/10 of a second. So I don't think the water, it'll make the water, it'll kind of freeze the water. So we'll see what that looks like. I'm going to go back over there where my videographer is and get out a bottle of water and relax and just enjoy this a few minutes. This is just too good to pass up. Well, that's what it's all about. Shutter clickers. We're sitting here enjoying a Nature's Valley salted nut roll and a Nestle's lemon splash. Listening to the sound of that beautiful creek. Now my videographer, she took a really sharp picture with her little camera. Anxious to see how it turns out. See the tree branch? I'll zoom in a little bit. See that tree branch there? Before the sun got too high, she got a picture of that tree branch along with everything else, and it kind of makes a leading line down to the creek. Looks like it's going to be a creek, I guess. You Southerners call it creek, it's crick. Like a crick in your neck. But man, what a gorgeous place. This, I guess you'd call this a bubbling brook. I gotta get my hat on right. Looks like all our batteries are going dead. And this one's going dead too. My other camera battery went dead. I do have backups though. So need to change that battery. Well, shutter clickers, the sun is starting to burn through the trees. As you can see right there. I'm gonna take a picture. Okay, this first picture was, we just walked out and Kat, she took it with a little pocket camera. I thought it turned out really well just when we got there. This picture here was kind of a long shot. I should have cropped in more with my lens and my feet instead of cropping the picture myself. Again, way too much foreground, and I had to crop in real tight to get the picture right. I need to let my feet do the walking. Here I was way off. I should have even had a different lens and cropped in a whole lot tighter. This picture, I cropped it by about half. This little picture Kat took with her phone, and it didn't turn out too bad. I just thought maybe you'd see what a phone picture looks like. Well, shutter clickers, I hope you learned something and you enjoyed the show. And next time we'll be looking at what's in my camera bag. So in the meantime, be sure to subscribe. I can use all the new subscribers, and leave your comments, please. So long for now.